Hi friends, in this video we're going to talk about oracledb Python module as a CX Oracle replacement. You see, the purpose of CX Oracle or oracledb Python module is to connect your Python code with the Oracle database. But oracledb Python module is a recent module released by Oracle which you can use in your Python applications to connect to your Oracle database. I've already created a video on how to use CX Oracle Python module to connect to Oracle database in our Python applications. So Python oracledb Python module is also like CX Oracle, but it's a new Python module by Oracle. So let's see some salient features about this Python oracledb module. It's a new module. Now using this Python oracledb module, connectivity is possible without Oracle client libraries. In case of CX Oracle Python module, you have to install at least the Oracle Instant Client library in your computer to connect to the Oracle database. And while using Python oracledb module, if you want advanced features, then obviously you should use the Oracle client libraries. But for basic and most of the applications, the thin mode, that is without using client libraries, you can connect to Oracle database in your Python scripts now. And one good thing is that Python oracledb can be used like a drop-in replacement for CX Oracle Python module. For example, if you already have some legacy code running CX Oracle, you just write import Oracle DB as CX Oracle to use the Oracle DB module in your existing Python code. And how to install this module? It's really simple. Just like CX Oracle, you just say python -m pip install Oracle DB. And this is how you can connect to Oracle database using the Oracle DB Python module. You can give the parameters user, password, host, port, service name, etc. We can refer to the official documentation to see about more options to connect to the Oracle database, but this would be sufficient in most of the cases. And that's it. The rest is the same like CX Oracle. I've already made a blog post on using CX Oracle, and here you can refer to the examples like how to insert rows using CX Oracle. Instead of CX Oracle, use Oracle DB, and how to insert a data frame, how to fetch rows, how to update rows, and how to delete rows. Everything is same like CX Oracle, so I'm not making a video again on that. You can refer to the previous video or you can refer to the blog post for the source code. This is about the Oracle DB Python module which can be used as a CX Oracle replacement. You can see I've created a blog post on using Oracle DB Python module. I've given the notes and links to the documentation, so please be sure to check out the link of this blog post in the description of this video. So let's open the official documentation here in the references link. So here you can see a lot of examples and documentation. So if you go to this connect into Oracle, you can see they have given a lot of examples like creating basic connection and executing a query, connecting to the database, closing connections, etc. So you have official documentation with examples here in this link. Please ask questions or post your valuable feedback in the comment section. Hope you like this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Peace.